In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord notifications. If your alerts are too loud, too frequent, or not showing up at all, this quick walkthrough will help you tune everything so you only hear from Discord when it actually matters. First, open Discord and look to the bottom left of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your avatar and username. That's the User Settings button. Click that gear to open your settings. This is where all the notification controls live, along with the rest of your app preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll if you need to, then select the option labeled Notifications. This takes you straight to the central hub for all your alert preferences on Discord. Now, this is where you can adjust features and settings to fix your notifications. Start by checking whether desktop notifications are enabled. If you want pop-up banners from Discord while you're on your computer, make sure the setting to allow desktop or system notifications is turned on. If you prefer a quieter experience, turn them off to keep alerts inside the app only. Next, fine-tune the sounds. You can toggle sounds for messages, calls, and other common events so you're not startled by pings you don't need. Keep on the ones that matter, like calls or mentions, and silence the rest to reduce noise. Look for visual indicators too. Options like an unread badge on the app icon or taskbar flashing can help you notice activity without constant sound. If those visuals distract you, go ahead and turn them off. You may also see controls for broad pings. If you don't want to be notified for large group alerts, you can suppress things like everyone or hear mentions. This is a great way to cut down on spammy notifications while still allowing direct mentions to get through. As you make changes, remember that Discord applies them immediately. There's no save button to click. If you ever notice alerts going quiet unexpectedly, check whether you've chosen a status like Do Not Disturb or enabled features that intentionally mute notifications. The descriptions in the notifications page will also explain how each toggle behaves, which helps you choose the right balance for your setup. And that's all. By opening user settings, selecting notifications, and adjusting the features that fit your needs, you'll get Discord notifications working the way you expect. Take a moment to tailor these options, and you'll cut out the noise while keeping the important stuff front and center. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you dial in the perfect notification setup.